No matters single driving or multiple racing. 2.4G top sport boat, Model HJ806 will bring you a cool time. Anti-collision rubber body with bright lights, fully sealed double-layer waterproof design. It also has a water circulation cooling system to protect the life of the motor. Besides, concealed cable is used inside the hull to prevent the wires from being twisted by the motor. There are two kinds of batteries for choice too. Before playing, fully charge the battery, then connect it to the power cable and close the hatch. Look at its 2.4G wireless remote control. It's easy to operate and play. For frequency matching, first turn on the remote control. Then, put the boat into the water to automatically turn on. Remote control will issue beep sound and boat light will change from flash to solid bright. When multiple speedboats play at the same time, each boat needs to be matched separately so as to avoid wrong frequency. When it is found that something wrong with the pairing or remote control, pick out the speedboat from the water and then power off the remote control. After that, put the boat back in the water and press the light button and power on the remote control. You can hear the beeping and the light is always bright. Then, pairing is complete. This nice boat has come with front and rear lights, so you can play even in the dark. Gun-shaped wireless remote control allows you to enjoy multi-direction driving. You can also obtain different speeds by pressing the throttle with different strengths. Control steering angle by turning the steering wheel with different amplitudes. Correct the speedboat in a straight route by the steering trimmer key. And limit the speed by speed trimmer key. When the remote control power indicator flashes, it means time to change the battery. This remote control will enter the sleep state after 5 minutes not working. To wake it up, just press any button. This speedboat will start stop protection when propeller is wound around the sundries. After 15 seconds, you may start the operation. For first-time playing, you may start from low speed. Use trimmer key and adjust to the center position. After familiar, try the higher speed. If the speedboat happens to overturn, use the backward key and then push the forward throttle quickly to correct it back. Also, when the remote control makes a beep sound, return the boat as soon as possible. Finally is to clean the boat after use and ensure there is no moisture and oil. Then remove the battery and fully charge before storage. Also remove the remote control battery in case of leaking. 2.4G remote control speedboat, Model HJ806 gives you a different driving fun.